The vocabulary word we are exploring now is premiere. Premiere. Have you ever walked a red carpet or seen a movie's first ever public showing? That exciting first-time event is known as a premiere. Whether it's a film, a play, or a product launch, a premiere is a debut, where something is introduced to the world for the very first time. Meaning of premiere. Premiere means the first public performance or showing of a play, film, or piece of music. Examples. The movie's premiere attracted celebrities from all over. The play had its world premiere in London. They wore elegant outfits to the premiere event. Short story. After years of hard work, Ria finally completed her documentary on endangered animals. She nervously invited guests to its premiere night. As the theater lights dimmed and the film began, she sat holding her breath. When it ended, silence filled the room, followed by thunderous applause. Critics praised the powerful message, and her film was picked up for international distribution. That magical premiere changed everything, launching her career and raising awareness around the globe.